Welcome to Mera Udyog. Today we will see how to manage the candidate pipeline across multiple roles. First, go to the dashboard, then navigate to the recruitment module and click on applications. Here you can see all your candidates organized into different stages of the hiring pipeline. Starting with the applied, this is where all new candidates appear after submitting the application. Next is screening. Here you review candidate profiles and filter the most suitable candidates. Then comes shortlisted. Candidates who match your requirement move to this stage. After that, we have interview round 1 where the initial interview is conducted. You can schedule the interview by filling in details like date, time, interviewer, and mode, and then click on schedule interview button. Next is interview round 2, which is for further evaluation, where you follow the same process to schedule the interview. Then comes the HR round, where the final discussion like the salary, the role, expectation, and company policies takes place. Here you have to fill the information again and you have to schedule the interview. After this, you can move to the offer released, where you roll out the offer to the selected candidate. If the candidate accepts the offer, you can directly onboard them by filling in the details like department, designation, role, and branch, and then complete the onboarding process. In case a candidate is not suitable at any stage, you can move them to rejected. You have to fill the reject reason and reject reason remark and then confirm the rejection over there. And if you want to keep a candidate for future consideration, you can move them to on hold. And this is how you can efficiently manage and track candidates across every stage of the hiring pipeline in Mera Udyog. Thank you.